before we started, we chatted about how new this was, right? The use of social media for real estate developers to raise capital online, right? It's absolutely brand new. And so you have a generation of professionals for whom it is very unfamiliar territory, right? We all think, because that's my background as well, we all think of it as something that children do, right? Like little kids do.
The kids are doing it.
So tell me, what have been the lessons? Because it's absolutely fascinating that you work in somewhat a similar area with this, this military environment where you've got older men, if you like, who are just unfamiliar and that they have to. So tell me what you've learned from that, because it sounds like there's some overlap there.
Well, I mean, a lot of it was education. And I think that's like, what you're doing with the podcast. And it's explaining what social media is and how it works. And that transparency is not the same as sharing everything. It's just being more open in communication. And that's really what social media is about. It's having a dialogue with your audience, with your employees, with potential recruits, whatever it is. It's about building communication tools. Primarily, it's called social for a reason. It's not a media broadcast tool, it's a social tool. And that was one of the biggest, I think, takeaways that I was able to kind of overcome, is understanding what social media really is in that component, letting them understand that this isn't something scary. Inevitably, bad things can happen. There's trolls, people can leave negative comments. But if you respond to them in the right way and you actually use that dialogue as a means to enhance your brand, it's helpful more so than having people talk about you negatively elsewhere, and you can't control that dialogue.
So what have you found to be the biggest resistance from your company clients, if you like, your in-house clients?
It really is still content creation. Everyone's okay with me posting on Facebook, but I can't get anyone to give me content. And it's getting the content that I can share. So it's new blog posts, it's videos, it's any sort of educational content, informational content, entertainment content. It's getting them to create the content that has really been the biggest struggle. And I think that's the biggest struggle for a lot of businesses. We are happy to go online and interact and leave comments and respond and have dialogue, but we don't know how to create the content or what content we should be creating.